A big breaking news coming in from Pakistan, where at least 37 people have been killed in sectarian violence in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. The government holds deliberations with the warring groups. There's a major development coming in from Pakistan, where in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, about 37 individuals have been killed in sectarian violence. Do note that the government is holding deliberations with the warring groups. We're getting in a major news break coming in from Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa area, where 37 have been killed in a sectarian violence. Now, do note that the government of Pakistan has held deliberations with the warring groups to resolve the sectarian violence that has claimed the lives of 37 in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. A major development coming in from our neighboring Pakistan, where Khyber Pakhtunkhwa violence has led to the killing of 37 people. Do note, viewers, this is following a sectarian violence that has been noted in Pakistan, and the government right now is holding talks with the warring groups to resolve the issue. Good morning, viewers. Right now, our focus is still on Maharashtra, where the Mahayuti Alliance has claimed 235 seats. That's a vast majority in the assembly elections. In fact, Prime Minister Modi has also lauded the Mahayuti Alliance and its victory and thanked the women and youth in the state for supporting the Mahayuti Alliance. We're continuing to focus on Maharashtra, where with 235 seats, the Mahayuti is all set to form the new government. Meanwhile, all eyes are on who will be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. In fact, Prime Minister Modi expressed his gratitude to the voters, especially the youth and the women of the state. Meanwhile, our editor-in-chief had an exclusive conversation with NCP MP Praful Patel on Mahayuti's historic mandate in Maharashtra Post. Listen in. Viewers, the focus today remains on Maharashtra following the landslide victory for the Mahayuti Alliance and the MVA getting a rude shock following the assembly elections, where the Mahayuti Alliance has formed victory with the new government with 235 seats. Now, all the focus will be on deciphering who the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra will be. We're getting in reactions from the victory. Let's take a look.
महायुति ने एक प्रचंड विजय महाराष्ट्र के विधानसभा चुनाव में प्राप्त की है। ये विजय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के विकसित भारत 2047 के लक्ष्य को तेज गति देने के लिए, महाराष्ट्र के विकास को, प्रगति को और आगे बढ़ाने के लिए एक शुभ संदेश है। महाराष्ट्र की जनता ने कांग्रेस की महाविकास आघाड़ी की तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति, उनकी समाज को बांटने की राजनीति को पूरी तरीके से ठुकराया है। महाराष्ट्र की जनता ने महाराष्ट्र और पूरे देश और दुनिया को एक संदेशा दिया है कि मोदी जी के साथ पूरा देश खड़ा है। मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में भारत आगे बढ़ रहा है और मोदी जी आगे भारत को विकसित भारत 2047 तक बनाने के हमारे लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करके ही रहेंगे।